Supreme Court is weighing in on the fight over North Carolina's voter ID law. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. The law has been put on pause for a few years because of lawsuits. CBS 17's Gilat Melamed is live for us tonight with the Supreme Court's latest decision. Gilat.
Today's decision is far from the end. It's not about whether that voter ID law is allowed to stand, but who from the state is allowed to defend the law in court. In the ongoing legal fight over North Carolina's voter ID law, Republican lawmakers get a win.
It's great when you make an argument that you feel solid about, but it's even better when the United States Supreme Court says, you know what, you were right.
In an 8-1 decision Thursday, the Supreme Court ruled lawmakers have the right to step in and join Attorney General Josh Stein in defending the voter ID law in court. Writing in part, this lawsuit shows how divided state government sometimes warrants participation by multiple state officials in federal court. Republican legislators questioned how vigorously Stein is defending the state against the North Carolina NAACP's challenge that the 2018 law is not constitutional and would disenfranchise minority voters.
We have seen Attorney General Stein frustrate the clear will of the people in a number of instances by either not defending or not aggressively defending statutes that have been passed.
In a statement, Attorney General Josh Stein's office says they're still reviewing the court's decision, and the office has and will continue to vigorously defend state law and did not oppose lawmakers' attempt to join that defense. UNC law professor Theodore M. Shaw says the court pointed to a state statute that allows legislators to defend laws it passed.
That loomed pretty largely in this decision.
Do you think that this opinion will change the final outcome of what happens with the voter ID law?
I don't think ultimately this determines how the case is decided.
As for the status of the actual voter ID law, Shaw says this goes back to the lower court and could come to the Supreme Court. He says a final decision could come by the fall election, but that's likely too quick. But we should have a decision by the 2024 election. Live in Raleigh, Gilat Melamed, CBS 17 News.
Gilat, thank you.